ain't this just some shit here? Because if I was Keon Coleman, I'd be pissed. Like, what the hell does who wanted to draft me got to do with us losing in the divisional round to the Denver Broncos? Now, the owner should just sit this one out, because he making himself look like a damn fool. He looking like a damn idiot, because he's now backing a liar. A guy who he gave a promotion to after he fired Sean McDermott because they lost in the divisional round of the playoffs to the Denver Broncos on a huge controversial play that happened in that game. And if you didn't see the game, I'm quite sure you seen the damn clip of the play floating around on social media. But this guy, the GM, was on record saying that Keon Coleman was the guy at the draft because of what he ran in the combine. That would help the Buffalo Bills draft this guy. He's on record saying that Keon Coleman is the guy unless somebody comes in and just blows him away. But Keon Coleman is the guy the GM wanted to draft. He's on record saying that. And now you got the owner backing up the GM, pointing fingers at everybody else that wanted Keon Coleman, acting like he didn't.